ATMs and payment terminals are essential to our daily lives, but they are constantly under threat from sophisticated frauds, such as shimming, generating astronomical financial losses, as well as image damage. Today, we will explore what shimming is, how it works, and how we can protect ourselves against this threat. Shimming is a fraud technique that targets EMV chip cards. Criminals insert a thin device, called a shimmer, into the card reader to capture chip data. The shimmer acts as an intermediary device, capturing chip data while the card is used. Unlike skimming, which copies data from the magnetic stripe, shimming focuses on EMV chips. Despite advancements in EMV chip technology, shimming continues to be a concern due to the possibility of creating counterfeit magnetic stripe cards. Fortunately, EBRAX already has the solution to this problem. The EBRAX anti-shimming device is equipped with intelligence, as it uses robust algorithms and has modern sensors that are strategically positioned to ensure the equipment's security. Its self-adjusting technology has very high accuracy, which avoids false positives and allows perfect functioning under the most adverse conditions, detecting any foreign object in the reader. In addition, EBRAX's anti-shimming device allows for easy integration with other systems through DLLs, APIs, and other interfaces, such as alarm boards. Its installation is easy and quick. Bank security depends on expertise, adaptability, predictability, and quality, attributes that EBRAX has always cultivated over its 23 years of existence, with proven effectiveness in 13 countries and over 185,000 devices installed. To learn more about bank security and how to protect yourself, visit our website or contact us.